Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Lena if you're new. Today I'm going to be walking you through everything that I'm eating today. I know you guys like these kind of videos and I like making them for you, so I'm so excited to share what all I'm eating today. I already went to yoga this morning. I haven't gone to the actual studio in a while. I've been doing it at home, so it's so nice to get out and just have it live in a class. It's just so much different whenever you're actually in a studio. So before my yoga class, I went ahead and I made my normal smoothie, but recently I've been trying to add a little bit more like extra nutrients in there without kind of compromising the taste, because I love the taste of this smoothie. So basically the base of it is frozen banana, almond milk, peanut butter, and cacao powder, and it's so yummy. But I did want to add in a little bit more fiber and just some more nutrients in there, so I added some flax seed powder, which is really good for adding fiber. I also added maca root powder. Maca root powder is really good for balancing your hormones, so if you do suffer from like PCOS like I do, or you have another type of hormonal imbalance, then it's really good to just add that into your diet. And it doesn't really add any extra flavor or anything like that to a smoothie, so I really love it. Just it's kind of like a really mild nutty flavor, so I don't taste it at all. So I just had my smoothie this morning with a big glass of water before yoga. So I just got myself ready and dressed and everything, and I'm gonna make myself some lunch. But before lunch, I really want to make a green juice. I just got a juicer in the mail. I'm so excited. I used to make myself juices all the time when I lived with my parents, and I haven't been able to do that ever since I moved out, so I just got myself one. Let's go ahead and get to juicing and making lunch. I'm also gonna make a really good salad for lunch. I know I make salads all the time, but it's just like super easy to have for lunch when you're hungry and you just want something while you're like busy during the day. So let's get started. So this is my new juicer. I'm so excited. I just washed it and put it together, and I haven't used it just yet. This one is by Breville. So my mom actually recommended this to me. This one is a really good quality one that will last me for years and years. Hopefully I will never have to replace it. My sisters actually have a more affordable option also by Breville, almost the exact same thing. The only thing different is that I think there's a couple more plastic pieces rather than all being stainless steel. So I'll link all of that down below, this one and then the more affordable option. So I went ahead and I washed all of my vegetables and fruit that I'm going to be using for my green juice today. I found this really good little picture on Pinterest for juicing for beginners. First, it says to start with a base, so you can either do cucumber or celery, and then it says to choose a leafy green, so that be kale or spinach or some other kind of green, and then this is actually baby kale. Then it says to choose a fruit to sweeten, so you add one fruit. So I have a pear. You could add apple, you could add pineapple, you could add any kind of fruit that you want. And then it says to add like some added benefits for taste and for antioxidants and vitamins and stuff. So you can add lemon, you could add ginger. I have some beets here. I thought that was a really good step-by-step guide. So I'm gonna link that down below for anybody who wants to try juicing. I think that's a really good recipe to follow if you're just starting out. Obviously you can stray from that and add in different kinds of base ingredients like I'm gonna do both. You can add in, do 2 different kinds of greens, whatever, but I just thought that was a really good basic step-by-step guide for you. These are all of the ingredients I'm gonna be adding to my juice today. I have celery, cucumber, pear, ginger, lemon, beets, and baby kale. Beets are probably not the best for someone who's just starting out juicing. They really do give like a very earthy flavor to your juice. I personally have grown to like the beet flavor in my juice, and it also gives so many detoxifying properties. Another important thing to note when you're juicing is to make sure that all your fruits and vegetables are organic. That's just because whenever you're juicing, you just want to make sure that you're not ingesting all of the pesticides that may be on non-organic produce. You just want to make sure that you're using the cleanest ingredients possible. These glass straws from Amazon. I'm literally obsessed. They are so comfortable when you're drinking, and they look so cute. So excited to try this. Oh my gosh, you guys, so delicious. To me it tastes like a really like earthy lemonade because it has that lemon and the pear, so it has that like sweet and sour flavor, and then it has that earthiness with the beets, and just so good. I'm going to devour this up, and then we're gonna make the salad because I'm also starving. I'm gonna go ahead and start making stuff for my salad. So the base of the salad is just really simple. I just have some greens, tomato, cucumber, and red onion. That's just kind of like my favorites to put in every single salad that I make. To make it more filling, I'm going to make some sweet potato. I'm not gonna use all of this for my salad. I'll most likely eat probably half of a sweet potato for one serving, but then I'll save the rest for other salads that I make throughout the week. I'm gonna also add in some quinoa that I made earlier to add in some protein and just make it extra filling. And then for the dressing, I'm gonna keep it super simple, and I'm gonna do olive oil, lemon, and salt. So I'm gonna go ahead and chop these up. I already washed these, and I'm going to bake them in the oven. I'm just gonna spray the foiled pan with some coconut oil. Then I'm going to lay out my sweet potato evenly and spray them again. So I'm just gonna grab some garlic salt and some lemon pepper. Those are my go-tos for absolutely everything. It tastes so good on anything. And I'm gonna grab some turmeric because this has really good anti-inflammatory benefits for your body. So I just like sprinkling a little bit of this on basically everything nowadays. So I'm just putting these in the oven on 400 for about 35 minutes. Okay, so while the sweet potatoes are cooking, I went ahead and washed and chopped up all of my vegetables. Okay, I went ahead and added some Kalamata olives to the salad as well. I'm gonna add a little bit of olive oil. Here we go. And then I'm going to put some fresh lemon over the top. I may grab my little lemon squeezer just because it's a lot easier. Then I'm gonna add some sea salt. I went ahead and added the quinoa that I prepped earlier. Quinoa is really good to just make at the beginning of the week and have it prepped in the fridge. That way you can make really easy meals, whether you add it to a salad or whether it's a side dish. I stuck a fork in the sweet potatoes and they're all soft and I think they're ready. So I'm gonna go ahead and bring them out. Along with the quinoa, sweet potatoes are also really good to have prepped in the fridge, ready for salads or just as kind of like a side starch for another meal. So this looks so, so good. I'm gonna go ahead and mix all of it up. This looks so delicious. I'm just gonna sit and answer some emails and eat my lunch and get on with the rest of my day. I want to try this salad with you guys because it looks delicious. I'm so, so excited. The only problem is it's so like awkward to eat salads in front of people just because leaves are sticking out of your mouth and it's so funny. Oh my goodness, you guys. So good. I love sweet potato in my salad. I love quinoa in my salad. And the dressing is super fresh. This is so simple and easy. If I already had the sweet potato prepped, this would have taken me like literally 2 minutes to put together. So yeah, highly recommend this salad. It's really good to take with you if you need to take it with you to work or school or something. One thing that I love to do after I eat my lunch or dinner is I make myself some tea. Today I made some Moroccan mint tea by Numi. I absolutely love this tea. It really does remind me of the actual Moroccan mint tea that I drank when I was in Morocco. I'm also going to have a couple of these little date balls that I made earlier. I made these in one of my previous food videos, but this one doesn't have any oats or peanut butter in it. This one has dates, walnuts, coconut flakes, maca powder, and flaxseed. So I'll leave the ingredients listed down in the description box in case you guys are curious. These are so, so good for a little treat after lunch or after dinner when you just need like something to like change your palate. So yeah, these are really, really good and super healthy. Okay, it's 7:30 right now. Omar has already left for work. I went ahead and I packed him his lunch. I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna make myself. It's the same thing I packed him for his lunch tonight. So lunch meaning like at 1 a.m. tonight for him. So this will be a really good idea for those of you who want to take something with you to work or school. It's just a really good, easy thing to make and have handy in your fridge. So let me show you. Okay, so not the prettiest setup, but this is basically like my at-home Chipotle bowls. And I just have brown rice, black beans, some guacamole, and pico. And I love making this at home. It's so, so simple and so easy to do. So I'm gonna just put my little bowl together and eat this for dinner. If you're taking it with you to work or school, just make sure that you put like the hot items in a separate container that we can heat it up when you get there and just put the cold stuff on top. So I went ahead and I put it all together. This smells so delicious. I cooked the black beans with a little bit of chili powder and garlic salt, and it's so yummy. And then for the pico, I just have cherry tomatoes, red onion, cilantro, and some jalapenos, and I just mix that together with some garlic salt and lemon. It's so delicious. And then the guac, I just have some avocado, cherry tomatoes, cilantro, and some jalapenos, and I mix that together as well with the lemon and the garlic salt, and it's so good. So I'm going to dig in and enjoy my dinner. This looks so good. After I eat dinner, I'm probably just gonna make myself some more tea, and then I'm probably gonna have some dark chocolate, and I'm gonna call it a night. So I hope that you guys enjoyed getting to know what I ate today, and let me know what you guys wanna see next in the comments. I know you guys wanted to see more of Leo, so let me see if I can get him on camera for a second. Come here. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!